Quartiles and percentiles. Questions that involve quartiles and percentiles don't appear often on the GRE, but in case they do, it is better to understand them than be faced with an unfamiliar concept that you just don't understand. Quartiles and percentiles are ways of further breaking down lists of numbers, building off of our statistics lesson. Quartiles take the median of a group of numbers and splits it into quarters. Halfway from the beginning to the median is the first quartile, or Q1, and halfway between the median and the end is the third quartile, or Q3. The median could be called the second quartile, but to keep things simple, let's still refer to that as the median. And the fourth quartile would be the last number in the line. Here's an example. With the numbers 3, 4, 4, 6, 7, 7, 9, and 9, find the first and third quartiles. With these numbers, the median is between 6 and 7, so the median will be 6.5. We can find the first quartile by using the lower half of the numbers, and it would be in between 4 and 4, which is 4. That's our first quartile. The third quartile would be on the other end of the median, so it would be between 7 and 9, so 8. Let's take a look at percentiles. Percentiles are just what they sound like, percentages. Except these percentages show how many items listed are below a set number. So for the list of numbers 3, 4, 4, 6, 7, 7, 9, and 9, the percentile rank for 7 is 50. Well, how did we get that? Well, you just have to count how many numbers are below that number. Divide it by the total number and times it by 100 to get your percentile value. So let's take a look at a practice question. On a test graded on a scale from 30 to 65, Veronica scored in the third quartile out of everyone who took the test. What is the relationship between the two columns, column A, Veronica's score, and column B, the percentile of Veronica's score? Because Veronica's score is in the third quartile, we know for certain that it will be less than 65, but not too far away from it. In fact, the third quartile means that she would have a score in the 75th percentile, because she would have a score above 3/4 or 75% above every other score. So the quantity in column B is greater.